Anti-austerity protests hit Germany, home of the ECB. Thousands of demonstrators from the anti-capitalist Blockupy movement cut off access to the central bank in Frankfurt, protesting against policymakers' handling of Europe's debt crisis. Holding signs reading "Humanity above profit," protesters blocked roads, including those leading to Deutsche Bank's headquarters.
I'm protesting against the austerity politics of the so-called Troika and the leadership of Angela Merkel. I have a dead man up here to symbolise that austerity kills, especially in the healthcare system in Greece. We're also expecting consequences in Spain.
While the German economy has been relatively resilient, governments, particularly in southern Europe, have cut spending and raised taxes, contributing to widespread recession.
We think it's legitimate to hold such events of civil disobedience because the politics of the ECB and the whole Troika is leading to unbearable living standards for people in many countries.
The protest comes as Eurozone unemployment figures hit fresh highs and inflation remains well below the ECB's target. The 12.2% jobless figure for April shows the size of the challenge EU leaders are facing to revive the bloc's economy. With 1 in 4 young people unable to find work in the Eurozone, there are fears the region is facing a lost generation. Expectations are mounting for the ECB to act to revive the economy and take fresh policy action. But analysts aren't convinced a potential rate cut next week will be enough to help the current situation. Alpesh Patel is from Profinium Partners.
It's not going to make much of a difference whether we do or not in terms of either the likelihood of increasing jobs, creating jobs, boosting growth, or changing market sentiment, because it's likely to have a marginal benefit given how low rates are in any event. So that's not actually going to be the answer.
So as Blockupy continues its standoff, expected to go into a second day, Eurozone governments will continue their own battle to focus on reform in a bid to bring back growth.